That's the same scenario I've told you. It's not.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not. And that's the same scenario I told you that a client of mine was faced with.
Yes. So means that the wives have a right to go to court and
Yes,
stop this
they
marriage.
have right to go to court, or they have
And
other
contest.
remedies, because there's a case that was argued in the court
Yes.
that said, of course, you go to the culture. If you celebrated a cultural marriage, you can go to court. You can first go to the custom
Yes.
that married you, and then you ask them for divorce, because there are procedures laid down by each custom
Yes.
and culture on how to divorce.
Yes.
Or the court has inherent powers to
Yes.
do so.
Yes.
You can go to court and ask court to take out that customary marriage.
Okay.
So you have options at that time, but still that marriage you've taken to church over the others
Yes.
is not legal.
It's not legal.
And I, as a customarily married wife,
Yes.
can go to petition court to dissolve that church marriage.
To dissolve it.
Yes, and actually even nullify it from the very word, because it means it was null from the very start. But if it was on the same level of customary marriage, then it's okay.
Wow.
And I can also ask the government to register the same.
But let me sit even comfortably.
Yes, please.
Are you aware that there are so many marriages that are actually not valid in this country? I would even tell you that marriages that where people have been in marriage for 20 years or 30 years. Reason being, many marriages are not registered marriages.
Mm.
I will give you a scenario. A friend of mine was, they had an issue with the wife, and they started battling actually in court.
Mm.
I myself, I'll tell you the truth. I told this wife, I said, oh, could you please go and find out whether the marriage, you're trying to fight with your husband, this divorce, is illegal. And guess what?
Mm.
They went and found that actually the marriage was not registered. Then I told this person, I said, so why are you fighting for marriage or for the divorce where marriage was not registered?
It's not there.
And you can't believe what happened.
Mm.
And in this case, guess what was happening?
What?
This person had refused to sign the divorce papers, was refusing to sign divorce papers, just because they had put up a condition of wanting 100 million to settle out of this marriage.
Mm.
When they went in detail to find out whether this marriage is actually registered or not, they realized the marriage was not registered. Guess what? Even the 30 million she could not get out of this marriage, because the marriage was invalid. So I want to tell you that there's so many people who are not aware that they wedded in church, but these marriages are actually invalid because they were not registered. So tell us, in the reality, if somebody has gone to church to marry or has gone for sale, what are they supposed to do? And even the viewers who are watching right now, how can they go and validate their marriages?
Bravo, it's not a new scenario. I've seen that scenario many times, of what you say that many marriages are not. First, before you get married, you have to make sure that the church you go to has been registered and recognized by URSB to celebrate that marriage.
Yes.
And many people are excited about the white wedding, but forget that there are certain background checks they have to do. It's not your church, and many Pentecostal churches, with due respect, they don't have licenses to marry.
Yes.
But of course, because everyone is excited in that union, they will give you a certificate, and that certificate just stops between the two of you. It will tie the two of you who are not knowledgeable in that area, whether your marriage is going to be recognized or not.
Yes.
So what I advise couples to do before you get married, go and look at the church you're going to celebrate your marriage in. Make a search at the Uganda Registration Services Bureau, because these churches are mandated to file what we call returns.